how to use Microsoft Authenticator for Samsung account sign in. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, go into Play Store. In Play Store, make sure you already install the Microsoft Authenticator. If not, you can use the search button and look for Authenticator app. Go down and tap on Microsoft Authenticator and tap on the install button. Now I have already installed it, so you can simply tap on the open button, sign to your account, then tap on add, and then tap on other account. In here you can manually add in, so tap on menu, and in here we can manually add in the Samsung account ID. So we go back in here, go back home, swipe down and tap on settings. Next, tap on your Samsung account profile at the top, then tap on security and privacy, then tap on two-step verification. Next, tap on Authenticator app, and then tap on use Microsoft Authenticator. Here tap on add account, sign in, then tap on add account, and from here choose your account. Now because I have already signed in, so it automatically knows that this is the account. If you want, you can also manually add in, so we can add in that one, so we can select that and then we can manually sign in. Okay, so once we have the account, just tap on it. Okay, so once it has signed in, tap on it. Here we have the code, copy it, touch and hold to copy it to clipboard. Then we go back into our settings here and then enter in the code, tap on verified, and that's it. We have now successfully enabled Microsoft Authenticator for our Samsung account. And here you can see it is now activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.